Okay, if you go to the question 3, please look at the wrong code 1, fix it error so that it runs correctly. Okay, let's go to this one, wrong code 1. I am taking again backup, and in the exam I will be writing that you need to take a backup. Okay, since sometimes you can do mistakes and therefore it will not work. Here even Visual Studio give me some errors, and but also I can run my code, run without debugging, and see the errors. Both of them is possible. Okay, unterminated string literal. Why? Yeah, I have this string, but again a string, but what is the difference? I have this single quote and here another quote. Also here I have a input, but there is no parentheses, and here I think it is working. And here I need to fix this string also, and here this name is not defined. Why it is not defined? Since this one and this one is not same. Okay, you can use Control DD, check this one. For example, for string divisor, okay, it shows that these two are same. I need to fix this name. Okay, then it says that place to news and enter. Again, this string is not finished. Okay, and here, okay, what is the problem? If we go there, expected this error, and we need to fix it. And here after this one, if we use run without debugging, yeah, okay, 20, 0, please do not enter 0 for division, and hello, it is working. This is it. Since we are using Visual Studio, the solving this type of error so much easier compared to running from Python, seeing what is the error, coming back, going to here and working. Let's see, run it again and see it, for example, a normal division. Let's say I have this 20 and 10 and this. Okay, I have also error here. I need to fix this one too, since I need to make it a formatted error. And here, okay, 20 and 5, yes, it is 4.0 and it is working. Zero division error we also has checked. Also, I think we can say that these numbers are not correct. For example, here, and here, please enter a number. You have entered something which could not be converted to float. Therefore, it is coming to value error, and here this zero division error. And this is the question.